check out our new gear movement clock collection based on a mystical and explorer theme. Using gear movement stainless steel, we have created a number of jaw-dropping pieces. This one is straight out of a science fiction movie with numbers displayed in 3 formats. It also comes in a white color. We also have this piece which is part of the Explorers collection, featuring a maritime world map all over it and gears bursting out of it. These clocks have been designed in a way that they are more than just a clock. They are a piece of art for your walls. We have a wide variety of materials, colors, and designs to choose from. Click on Shop Now to explore the entire collection.